Not sure how to use your Fujitsu AC Remote? Model number AR-JE11. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Fujitsu AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the master control button. It cycles through the AC's main operating modes. Each press changes the mode in this order: cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The Super Wave button activates a powerful airflow pattern that pushes cool or warm air farther and more evenly across the room. The Test Run button is for maintenance checks, running a short cycle to confirm the AC's cooling, heating, and airflow functions. It is not intended for regular daily use. Press the ACL button gently using a pin or paperclip to reset the remote control and clear any temporary errors. This restores the remote to its default settings and helps fix minor glitches instantly. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Fujitsu AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.